Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Repeat Grid in Adobe XD. In just a few minutes, you'll see how to turn one well-designed item into a neatly repeating list or gallery, saving time and keeping everything consistent. First, open Adobe XD. Once the app is up, make sure the design you want to repeat is visible on your artboard. In this example, a simple card layout is already prepared with text and an image, but the same approach works for buttons, profile rows, or any component you want to multiply. Next, select the content you want included in the grid. You can select everything in the design by pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac OS. If you only want a portion, click and drag with your mouse to marquee. Select just those layers. A bounding box should appear around your selection. That's your signal you're ready to convert it to a grid. If something isn't selected, you won't see the grid option for it. So take a second to confirm your highlight is correct. With your selection active, look to the right side of the interface in the Properties panel. Find the Repeat Grid control. It's grouped with layout and alignment options, and it appears when a selection is valid. Click Repeat Grid. Your selection is now framed with green handles on the right and bottom edges. This means XD has converted it to a repeatable object. Now drag the green handle to the right to create additional columns, or drag the handle at the bottom to create more rows. As you drag, XD automatically duplicates your selection and keeps spacing consistent. If you need to fine-tune the gaps between items, hover between them until you see the pink gutter indicator, then drag to adjust the spacing precisely. You can keep dragging until you have the exact count you need, whether that's a short list or a large grid. This simple drag-to-duplicate approach is perfect for lists, galleries, and menus, and it dramatically speeds up exploration when you're testing different counts or layouts on multiple artboards. A few tips while you're dragging. Keep an eye on alignment guides so your grid stays crisp, and remember that you can still edit the contents of one repeated item and see updates reflected across the grid, which helps maintain consistency. And that's it. You opened Adobe XD, selected your design, found Repeat Grid in the Properties panel, clicked it, and dragged to create the layout you need. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.